Students, good morning one and all. Welcome to the sixth session of the course. The topic name is Social Inclusion and Governance and Case Studies and Best Practices also we have to talk in the specific lecture part. Social Inclusion and Governance in a Smart Cities. What about the strategies, challenges and best practices? Smart cities that are more than just technological marvels. They represent a vision of urban development that promotes inclusivity, sustainability and efficiency. At the heart of this vision lies the concept of a social inclusion and governance, which seeks to ensure that the benefits of a smart city initiatives that are accessible to all type of citizens, regardless of their socio-economic background. That's why in this part of the sixth lecture, we will explore the critical aspects of a social inclusion and governance in a smart cities, including like inclusivity in a smart city planning, citizen engagement, privacy, security and considerations, and addressing the digital divide too. As well as we will also delve into the case studies and the best practices that shed light on how to effectively implement these principles. The first one is we need to discuss about the inclusivity in a smart city planning, and some points also we have to discuss here. Inclusivity should be at the forefront of a smart city planning. This means that urban development strategies should be designed to cater to the diverse needs of the population. So what are the key considerations we have to focus? The first will be on accessibility. Ensure that the public spaces and transportation systems and the digital services that are access. Second will be on affordability. Smart city services infrastructure should be affordable to all the income groups. Third will be on a cultural sensitivity. Take into account to the cultural diversity of the population when designing the public spaces and services too. Second point will be on a citizen engagement and a participatory governance, and we need to talk some points. Because effective governance in a smart cities that involves active citizen participation in a decision-making processes, this can be achieved through digital platforms. Create the online platforms where citizens can voice their opinions, provide a feedback, and participate in discussions about urban planning and policies. According to the community engagement, just organize the town hall meetings, focus groups, and workshops to involve the citizens in a local governance. What of the data transparency? So make a government data accessible to the public to foster transparency and accountability. Okay, the third point will be on a privacy and security considerations. The collection and use of the data in smart city must be balanced with the citizens' privacy and the security concerns. So what are the best practices we have to discuss? The first will be on a data protection laws. Implement the robust data protection laws and regulate personal information. Second will be on a secure infrastructure. Ensure that the smart city's digital infrastructure is fortified against the cyber threats and the data breaches. Third will be an ethical use of data. Establish guidelines for ethical use of a citizen data, emphasizing transparency and consent. Okay, fourth point will be on a digital divide and access to technology. So addressing the digital divide is very crucial to achieving social inclusion in a smart cities. Strategies to bridge this gap include starting from the digital literacy programs. Just offer the training programs to teach the digital skills to undeserved communities. According to the affordable internet access, that is very important point. Collaborate with the internet service providers to make affordable internet access available to low income residents. That also very important. We need to focus them. Public Wi-Fi, that is create a public Wi-Fi hotspots in underserved areas to ensure the connectivity for all. That is also a very important concept. So what are the case studies and best practices? We need to talk three countries. The first will be four countries. The first will be on Singapore. Singapore's a smart nation that initiative focuses on inclusivity with the measures like accessible public transportation and digital services in multiple languages. Their approach demonstrates the importance of catering to cultural diversity. So second will be in Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona's a participatory budgeting program that allows the citizens to allocate a part of the city's budget. This initiative highlights the significance of digital engagement, citizen engagement in a local governance too. The third will be on Toronto, Canada. The Sidewalk Toronto project that emphasized on data privacy by establishing an independent data trust to manage and to govern urban data, showing how to address the privacy concerns effectively. Fourth country will be on Seoul, South Korea. Seoul's digital roadmap that prioritizes the digital literacy program ensuring that all the citizens they can access and benefit from the technology. So in a conclusion, social inclusion and the governance that are the pillars upon which a smart cities should be built by prioritizing inclusivity, engaging citizens, addressing privacy concerns and bridging the digital divide. Smart cities they can truly become hubs of a progress that benefit all residents. So learning from a global case studies and adopting best practices tailored to local context, that will be a crucial in achieving the vision of a smart and inclusive future for our urban centers. Okay, my dear students,